Here's a 1987 Porsche 924S. Beautiful car. This car has been local to our area. Clean Carfax, no accidents. I've been around this car, cleaning it up, taking the pictures, getting it ready, and I have not noticed any paint work on it. Very, very straight car. A little over 60,000 miles. I'll slip around there and show you the odometer, and we'll start it up. You can hear it running everything. Interior, extremely nice shape. Car runs out and drives out nice. Good tread on the tires. Go ahead and check out the interior here. It does have the 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder. I believe that would have came out of the 944s. Also has a 5-speed manual transmission. Has had an aftermarket radio put in it. Have the power moonroof up top here. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, see the underneath of the car, engine bay, how clean all of those are, go ahead and check out the pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. On to the back here. Looking for an inexpensive sports car from the 80s. Built quite solid. Nice drivers. This is definitely one of those. Slip around to the driver's side, show you the interior, how little wear there is. Just take a look at the shape of the seats, carpeting on the floors, dash, everything. This has been adult owned and driven its entire life. It's a known history of the car from the gentleman that brought it to us. He is actually friends with the original owner that bought this car new. Check out the miles, 61,748. Go ahead and fire it up here a second. Does have AC and heat, as you can see by the controllers there. Kenwood aftermarket stereo, the 5-speed manual, power moonroof switch, tachometer and gauges. If you're looking for a 924S, I can't imagine there's a lot of nicer ones out there. Just check out the door jambs, just how clean this car really is. Slip around to the back. So the door closes, how smooth this car runs. So feel free to give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this car. Our number would be 507-386-1726. And again, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, check out the engine bay, the underside, they can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. 1987 924S, 61,000 original miles on it, clean Carfax, no accidents.